How's it going, everyone? So I got a question today, how to lose body fat in 1 week. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So for my 13 years of experience doing this, losing weight, I've done 13 cutting cycles before, or 13 weight loss cycles, if you will, where I've lost anywhere from 20 to 35 pounds. So I've done lots of research. I've tried lots of different methods for losing weight. And the easiest way to lose weight, in my opinion, is keeping your protein intake moderately high, keeping your carbohydrate intake high, keeping your fat intake low. Now, a lot of people go on keto diet, and I don't like the keto diet. Me personally, I just don't like it. I found, and I've done it a couple of times, and I've lost weight doing it. I find I have way more energy. Like when I'm doing keto, I notice my lifts drop slightly inside the gym. When I do my regular weight loss, when I keep my carbs really high, then I don't lose strength at all when I'm losing weight. I have found that when losing weight, dropping your carbohydrates makes it extremely tough for energy levels. What I like to do is I like to drop my fat intake. So normally my fat intake will be about 80, 90, 100 grams of fat per day. Cutting weight, it'll be 50, 60 grams of fat. I think keeping your carbohydrates high is really important. Like right now, my protein's at about 200 grams, carbohydrates are at about 400, 450 grams, and my fat's at about 60, 65 grams of fat per day. I just find this makes it very easy, you guys, to lose weight in 1 week, keeping your carbohydrates high. Another thing too, protein is one of the most filling macronutrients there is. Protein is amazing for keeping you full when you are trying to lose weight. Carbohydrates, apparently, according to studies, fat is more filling than carbohydrates. But in my honest opinion, I feel that carbohydrates make losing weight so much easier. You have energy to do things. Yes, with keto, eventually you will have energy. First couple of days, you might be low energy, but after that, yeah, you're gonna have energy. But I just find high carbohydrates, you have so much more energy. So that's what I do when I lose weight. I keep my carbs as high as possible, and it makes losing weight very easy. So that's what I would do. I would keep carbs high, keep protein moderately high, and then just keep fat a little bit lower, and you should lose weight pretty easy. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.